I was planning on making a sock set of jaws for the vise here. I had this piece kicking around, so I figured I may as well do it now.
What is that you're using, a piece of Teflon?
Yeah.
What did you measure to get that sized?
Just gonna come up from here and just back to there and force to bend it with heat.
Okay.
I think.
It kind of melts out a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah. Everything does. You can pick it up with the skill saw too, but as long as you're fast enough, it don't melt.
Tough.
Shit don't bend where the fuck.
Something.
Yeah. Yeah, we got it.
Does it need to bend flat against the vise?
Yeah, well, I was hoping to get it more nice and tight to that and bend it around, so it was may not be that fancy.
I think that was a little bit of high expectations there.
Hard to get enough heat with this, and it's hard not to get too much
With the torch.
with the torch.
Yeah.
I'm just being fancier, but I need to get her done.
It works.
I already got a finer jaw on there than most places, but
Better safe than sorry.
usually just use blocks of wood or whatever, but I just figured these would be worth making.
You just seen that laying on the ground and come up with that idea, didn't you?
I had this idea a while ago and just I forgot there, but since I had this hook the other day. If you get your hook.
All right, so there we have this, what would you call it, like soft jaws?
Soft jaws.